guys, we have created the responsive ad, remember. So this was our responsive ad. Okay, which is this one. Okay, now we will going to create another ad. Okay, this will be ad 2, which will be related to MacBook Pro ad group, and this will be, let's say, app install. Let's say app install. Awesome. Let's just go ahead to same MacBook Pro. I will just going to click on this create button. This time I will go with, let's say, app install ad. Now you can just choose whether you want to select from Google Play or Apple Play. I will stick with Google. Let's say click on app, search for your app. Okay, click on enter, and let's say this is our app. Okay, and here you can just say download this app for or I can say Apple discount update app. Maybe we are creating one app which gives us notification whenever Apple launches any discount. Tricks to get discount on Apple products. Download app today, something like this you can put. If you want to show your ads more to the mobile devices, you can tick mark this option, and it will automatically put the URL, and that's it. Click on the save button, and in this way you guys have created your app install campaigns. Okay, which is this one, app install ad campaigns. Okay.